to the school, to this proud moment, they have grown in knowledge. They have grown in confidence and character. It is a happiest moment, not only for these graduates, but especially for the teachers who guided them. And it's a very happiest moment for you guys, the ever supporting parents. So let's celebrate their memories, cherish their moments, because they are the upcoming generation the world is awaiting.
Today, we all gather here to applaud their hard work. Our little graduates work hard, and today we are all gathered here to celebrate our graduation day. Little graduates having a many
With a heart of blessing, let us invite our esteemed principal, Father Linju. His vision and dedication.
Our esteemed guest, Colonel Sharad Joseph, Commanding Officer, Reverend Father Shijo Kanjirathingkal, CMI, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, distinguished guests, parents, staff, and my beloved students. Good afternoon. A warm welcome to all here today for the most delightful program of the year, the graduation ceremony of senior KG students. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the little graduates for this amazing achievement. This is indeed a grand and glorious day where children's dreams came true as they were anxiously looking forward to receive their graduation certificate. Today, we are very privileged to have with us Colonel Sharad Joseph, Commanding Officer. Years of exemplary service currently commands the group. As a highly decorated officer, Sir has demonstrated exceptional leadership, strategic vision, and unwavering commitment to duty. I accord a hearty welcome you, sir. Father Shijo Kanjirathingkal, CMI.
Now, I would like to invite Father Principal, Father Linju, Vice Principal, Father Isaac, Father Shijo, and esteemed guest, Colonel Sharad Joseph, sir, for lighting the lamp.
ज्योति दे भगवन ज्योति दे भगवन ज्योति दे भगवन ज्योति दे भगवन अपनी पावन ज्योति दे भगवन ज्योति दे भगवन
And now, honoring Colonel Sharad Joseph, we truly celebrate your commitment to our nation. And your commitment and your bravery can be seen in our safeguards of our borders. And also, it can be seen in disaster relief, refunds and achievements. And also, you are fostering unity, which is the embodiment of the Army spirit. We're really thankful, sir.
Reverend Father Principal, distinguished guests, the faculty of Christ School, Degwar, proud parents, and of course, none other than our dear students. At the very outset, firstly, I would like to thank the managing committee of the school for having me here, inviting me on this wonderful, momentous occasion to witness it. And I'm going to keep it little okay and bilingual so that आपस में हम लोग कुछ बातचीत कर पा रहे हैं और समझ पा रहे हैं. अगर अपने दिन को आपको खुशनुमा बनाना है तो आप एक छोटे से बच्चे की अटखेलियों को देखो, उसकी मासूमियत को, उसकी इनोसेंस को देखिए और आपका जो वो समय है, वो वक्त है और वो प्रोबेबली हो सकता है वो दिन, वो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. और आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, शुक्रगुजार हूँ स्कूल का कि उन्होंने ये सब देखने के लिए आज हमें यहाँ इनवाइट किया. मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगा उन सभी टीचर्स को, उनकी कमेंडेबल जॉब, उनकी कमेंडेबल जो उन्होंने मेहनत करी अपने बच्चों के साथ में। I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for putting in so much of efforts कि आज ये बच्चे अपना एक और कदम ले पा रहे हैं। Small steps lead to bigger journeys. So this is a small step for these students to move ahead for a bigger journey. और इसी के साथ इसमें हमारा काम भी बहुत ज़्यादा है पेरेंट्स का। जैसे एक कुमार जो मिट्टी के खिलौने और मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाता है, पॉटरी बनाता है, वो एक निराकार मिट्टी को एक रूप में ढालने के लिए कुछ मिट्टी को इकट्ठा करता है और फिर उसको आकार देता है। और इसमें पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है कि आज ये जो निराकार मूर्त है उसको कुछ आकार मिलेगा आने वाले समय में। So as parents, we have to be very, very honest to our duty. और ऑनेस्टी मतलब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं कि मेरे ज़माने में ऐसा होता था और हम तो ऐसे बच्चे थे और हम तो वैसा करते थे और हम तो बड़े अच्छे बच्चे थे। क्योंकि हमारे ज़माने में, आपके ज़माने में वक्त अलग था, चीज़ें अलग थी। आप लोग बातचीत करते थे, अपने पेरेंट्स से सीखते थे। लेकिन आज के वक्त में बच्चों को सीखने के लिए बहुत सारे सुविधाएं और साधन उपलब्ध हैं। मोबाइल है, इंटरनेट, टीवी, आपस में बच्चों से सीखना, बहुत सारे मीडियम हैं जिससे वो बच्चे सीखते हैं। तो यकीन हमें करना है एज पेरेंट्स कि क्या वो सही चीज़ को सीख रहे हैं और क्या हम उनके ऊपर उतना ध्यान दे रहे हैं जितना हमारे माँ बाप ने हमारे ऊपर ध्यान दिया था। It is a very important thing to understand our duty. It is very important to understand, to nurture the future of our nation. It is very, very important to understand the responsibilities of being a parent and simultaneously the responsibilities of being that potter who does that work of pottery which is done by the teachers. I am 100% sure, मुझे पूरा यकीन है 100% कि सभी लोग अपने बच्चों को अच्छी जगह देखना चाहते हैं कि मेरा बेटा या बेटी बड़ा होके इंजीनियर बने, अच्छा।
And welcome to this joyous celebration of growth and achievement. Today marks a significant milestone as our preschoolers transition to primary school, carrying with them cherished memories forged during their formative years. When these children first entered our classrooms, they and their parents faced inevitable separation anxiety. Those early days were about building trust, fostering relationships, and uniting as a team with one shared purpose, nurturing each children's holistic development. Over time, that trust blossomed into a strong foundation, preparing them for the journey ahead. Now, as they prepare to leave, it is we, the teachers, who feel the bitter sweat, pang of separation. We will miss their laughter and curiosity immensely. This graduation is not just a student achievement, but a testament to the collective efforts of teachers, staff, and families. Our dedicated educators and administrators work tirelessly driven by a shared mission to cultivate knowledge, skill, and character. Their unwavering commitment ensures every child thrives. A special acknowledgement to our principal, Father Linju, whose visionary leadership fosters a school culture rooted in excellence and compassion, creating an environment and ideal for young minds to flourish. As we embark on the certificate distribution, let us celebrate each child's unique journey.
Happy graduation. We are the hope of the parents. We are the promise of tomorrow. We are the children. We want to shine. We are the children. We want to shine. We are graduates. We are graduates. We are graduates. Now we are graduates. Thank you.
What an incredible performance it was, done by our little kids. Give them a big round of applause.
So, now we officially conclude our graduation day ceremony for the following academic year 24-25. This event was a grand success, and behind this success, I would like to convey my sincerest thanks to Principal Father Linju, Vice Principal Father Isaac, Father Shijo, Father George, and our esteemed guest, Colonel Sharad Joseph Sir, and especially you guys, the parents, for your presence. Thank you. And one little message for these graduates, that this is just the beginning. The world is awaiting for your thoughts, your ideas, and your actions.
And before we say goodbye, let's give a good round of applause for every one of you to make this grand event successful. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I would request everyone who is present here to please stand up for national anthem.
गण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
As we conclude this program today, dear parents, please come and capture the moments of happiness. Capture the moments by our crafted selfie corner by our talented art teacher, Akriti ma'am, and capture and cherish these moments. Thank you. Have a great day.